Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if Snapchat camera is not working on your iPhone and iPad in iOS 16. So watch this video until the end if you want to fix your problem. So let's get started the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So if your camera is not working, Snapchat camera is not working on your iPhone. So the first step is make sure that you have updated the app from the App Store. So to check the latest update, you can go to App Store. You can click on user icon and scroll through it, and if there is any update available for Snapchat, then click on update and make sure that you update the app to the latest version. Enter the password to complete the update. So once you have done updating the app and if it's still not working, then the next step is clear background app and relaunch the Snapchat app. For that you can just swipe up and just close the app, then relaunch the app and check if it's working. And if it's still not working, the next step is make sure that you have a good internet connection. And after this, check camera permission of Snapchat in the setting. For that, go to settings, scroll down, click on Snapchat, and then make sure that camera is turned on. So if the camera is turned off, make sure that you toggle and turn it on. So once you've done this, and if it's still not working, and the next step is make sure that you update your iPhone to the latest version. For that you can go to settings, click on general, click on software update, and if there is any update available, make sure that you download that update and install it on your iPhone. Right after doing this, and the next step is you have to clear Snapchat cache and lens data. For that, go to Snapchat, click on settings, then scroll down, click on lenses, then click on clear local lenses data, then click clear all lenses. So once you have done this, and if it's still not working, and the next step is click on settings, go to general, click on iPhone storage, offload the app and reinstall the app in your iPhone, and your problem will be solved. Click on Snapchat, click on offload, right? Then simply click on reinstall app and it will start downloading the app again. You won't lose any of your data documents in Snapchat. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.